slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back here once again. And today we are going to be taking a look at these Travis Scott 1 lows from KicksGoods. They are UA pair. So if you don't mess with that, get off the video. That's all I got to say. But these are from a new site, so I'm going to be testing a new site with this. Purchase obviously, so we're going to see how these are. Spoiler alert, they're pretty fire. Like, no issues with them thus far for me to use. So these are set to release, I believe, in September. They're not going to be a general release, but they are going to be limited, like the highs, the Travis Scott Jordan 1 highs. But I don't know, super limited shoe, I'm assuming. I've only seen Travis wear them and then a few other people like J2 Kicks or whatever his name is. But yeah, so anyways, ignore my dog barking in the background. But let's get into this video real quick. Just disclaimer, they did take about a week to arrive via EMS to Canada. They did come double boxed, so there's that for your information. But yeah, let's get into them. Before we do get into these shoes, this is all the information. So there's the website, it's kicksgoods.com. WhatsApp is right there if you want to contact them. Email is kicksgoods.com@gmail.com, and Instagram is @kicksgoods.com. So there's all the information you'll need. Now let's get into the shoes themselves and what they come with, obviously the box. So typical box, literally the exact same as the highs. I don't know if this is how the box is going to be when they release officially, but I guess we will see. I know I'm going to be rocking these regardless just because they're super clean. There's really no flaws that I see with them, so if you guys see anything wrong, let me know via DM on Instagram or whatever. Also, if you're new to the channel and this is your first video you're watching, hit that subscribe button, drop a like on the video even if you're a current subscriber of mine. Show some love that way. And last but not least, turn on notifications for the channel as well if you haven't done so already. So, oh yeah, also remember to follow Instagram, link will be in the description. So let's get it and get these shoes reviewed real quick. I'm reading text while I'm recording, my bad. But yeah, Air Jordan Retro 1 Low OG SP, black dark mocha university red sale, size 13 men's, 14 women's, 14.5 women's. Doesn't have a suggested retail price, so obviously that's kind of a giveaway that they're UA. But yeah, rest of the box, not gonna waste too much time on it. It's literally identical to the highs. So inside of the box, got the red with the Nike swoosh in brown, and then you do have the Travis pink paper, Cactus Shack, Nike Air Jordan. So these are a relatively early pair of these. I know the first batch that came out was garbage, so I waited for them to fix up the flaws, and yeah, this is what we're getting. So because I know the first batch actually that these came out, when they started being repped, it had literally just a new buck with no texture all around where the brown suede was supposed to be. So I was like, hell no, I'm not going for that. But you do have the little green sticker, so that's good. Same sticker that the retail shoes have. But yeah, let's put the box to the side. I'm sure no one cares too much about that, but decided to let you guys know anyways. But there are the shoes. So the Travis Scott 1 lows. One thing that I did find odd, but I believe will be the same when the shoes actually get released, is like the leather, just how it's put here. Like you can see the actual piece of brown suede kind of like pushing up on the white leather, but it's less noticeable obviously on the black pair, or not on the black pair, on the highs, because the swoosh is black on white. So obviously it's harder to see an imprint on a black swoosh than it is a white one. But I assume when the retail ones were released, it's going to be the exact same, because they really can't change the materials and how they form against each other much at all. So someone's mowing the lawn out there, ignore that. Hopefully you guys can still hear me over that. But yeah, man, let's get into these shoes. Super excited for these, just like I was for the highs. So you can see just a regular Jordan 1 low. On the inside it does say Travis Scott. On the right shoe it says Nike Air, and then you got the little logo on the inside. There's a size tag right there. Quality of the shoe is actually really amazing, man, so I'm super happy with my first purchase from this new site. Probably going to be purchasing more in the future, I don't know, but just from this purchase alone I am extremely satisfied. So you can see the back, Air Jordan. One thing that is kind of iffy is the J on that, because it's kind of hard to read, kind of looks like an I or an L, but I mean it is hard to embroider this, so I assume the same stuff will happen on the retail pairs, or at least some of them, because the quality on the Travis Scott highs, the high ones, like terrible quality control, because it was so hard to legit check. I was seeing people left and right getting scammed for those, so assume the same deal for these, just because the materials they use are basically identical. But yeah, got the toe box, looks pretty good, might be a little bulky, but not really any issues besides that. Bottom of the shoe, I'm not really one for Jordan 1 lows, not a huge fan, but I mean these are the Travis 1 lows. You got the regular brown suede swoosh on this side with the black nubuck and the red Cactus Jack logo. It is not 3M like the highs are. I like the thing about the black laces that come with these are they are waxed, so I really like that. I love wax laces, they just look super clean. But yeah, rest of the shoe got Nike information about the swoosh trademark, Nike Air, got the black tongue, Cactus Jack, same deal. Basically we're looking at a carbon copy of the highs, just on a low scale. Got the size sticker right there as well. The white swoosh, which honestly it's barely noticeable that the leather is poking out underneath, and I assume with wear that will go away probably, so I guess we will see. But yeah, I'm not gonna spend too much time more on this video, just cause you already know, you already see the shoe. But on the left shoe you got the Nirvana Travis face on the back instead of the Air Jordan. On the inside it says Cactus Jack, and then you got the Jordan Air Jordan Wings logo on the far vertical, I don't know, at the top of the insole, and then the Jordan Jumpman. So you got different stuff on both insoles, which is nice. Size tag again, kind of bent up, but it is what it is. Stitching and all that look on point, like you can see for yourselves. Cannot play you guys with any of this. Like, I show you guys what you're getting, so you can decide if you want to cop. Paint on the midsole could be a little cleaner, but actually one good example, if you go on Untied Hawaii's page on Instagram, if any of you guys watch him, it's just Untied Hawaii. He posted a Travis Jordan 1 giveaway, and the pair he was holding in his hand had a terrible paint job on the midsole, and that was a retail pair, so you cannot go buy paint jobs these days, sadly, because the quality control on like products like this are just terrible. You can see suede, how nice that is. Black laces, it does come with 4 extra pairs of laces, white or cream, brown, pink, red, just like the highs. I don't know if that's what we'll see when they release retail, but I guess we will see. So that's pretty much it for these guys. Let me know what you guys think about these. With all that being said, if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Let me know your thoughts on these, like I said, and hopefully y'all have a blessed day. More heat on the way like always, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.